Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Hammer Blade 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, press and hold power button, then choose power off, wait a while, press and hold together power button and volume up buttons. Then scroll down to choose Fastboot mode, but you need to scroll down using volume up button. Choose Fastboot here and now click volume down to choose Fastboot. Wait a while and great, now you are in the Fastboot mode. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye, see you.